Hi guys, I guess you call me Soul369 on Xbox Gaming on Minecraft, and I'm gonna show you how to build a bridge, like a mini bridge, not like a massive bridge, obviously, but you can see. Oh, hello sheep. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna take you through it. You need sticky pistons. And you need to cover it all through the middle, like this. Then you can have a selection of what you want to have. I picked stone because it's just easy really. And fill it in top of the sticky pistons. I don't know if you can hear that, but my brother's listening to John Cena music. He's a WWE wrestler. He's a WWE fan. Get redstone repeaters and just fill them in behind that. Get redstone. It's pretty simple, really, if you know what you're doing. I should say. Yeah, that's something. I've never built a bridge before, just to give you that idea. Break that so I know where it is. Okay, let's get onto the other side and do exactly the same. It's really simple once you know what you're doing. Okay, I'm just going to put stone there. Okay, hopefully this works. Right, where's that hole? Okay, put a grass block there. Get a lever, put it there. And shapow, it's done. Right, let me fill it in. Let me just fill this all in. My first bridge ever. Right, and then put it down. Do a selection of your choice. Lava or water? What should I do? I'll do lava because I like lava. Okay. Fish right down the middle. Oh no! Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow! Oh wow! Sorry about that, guys. That was not meant to happen, clearly by my choice. I'm sorry about that. Wow. Sorry about that. That was not meant to happen. Anyway, carry on. Right. Get lava again. Hopefully I don't spill it over this time. Nearly then. Right. And that should be done. By the looks of it. Let's give it a good try. Let me put my level up there. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Right. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.